Find the values of the following by using logarithm. Part 1 is, so let x, it will become 57.86 multiplied by 4.385 is equals to x. Now we have to take log on both sides. So it will become log x is equals to log 57.86 multiplied by log 4.385. Log a multiplied by log b is equals to log a log b. So it will become log x is equals to log 57.86 plus log 4.385. Log x is equals to, we have to find log 57.86. So log 57.86 is equals to 1.76. 1.76 plus then log 4.385. 4.385 is 0.64. 0.64. Then 1.76 plus 0.64 is equals to 2.4. So log x is equals to 2.4. Then we have to find x. So x is equals to anti-log of 2.4. So shift log 2.4. It's 251. So here x is equals to 251, or also written as 253. Now this 99.87 divided by 8.369 into 0.785. Let x, so it will become 99.87 upon 8.369 multiplied by 0.785 is equals to x. Then we have to taking log on both sides. It will become log x is equals to log 99.87 divided by log 8.369 multiplied by log 0.785. We know that log a multiplied by log b is equals to log a plus log b, right? And also log a divided by log b is equals to log a minus log b. So back to the equation, log x is equals to log 99.87 division, so we have to write minus, then log 8.369 plus log 0.785. Log x is equals to we have to find log 99.87. So log 99.87, it's 1.999. So 1.999 minus as it is, then log 8.369, 0.92 plus log 0.785, it's minus 0.105. After simplification, we got 1.1815. Then x is equals to anti-log 1.1815. So shift log 1.1815 is 15.18. So we also written like 15.20.